Why did the jogger bring a pencil with him? Because he wanted to draw his running path. Ah, the joys of an uncomplicated joke to start our day. Now, it's quite unlikely that we would carry pencils during our jogs, but one cannot disregard the significant benefits of a run or a simple walk. Welcome, dear viewers, to this enlightening journey into the health rewards of two simple yet incredibly effective exercises: walking and jogging. In the lightning-fast world that we live in today, it becomes all too easy to disregard the importance of these basic, primal movements. We are often swept up in the fast-paced rhythm of our lives, forgetting that our bodies were designed to move, to wander, to explore. Walking and jogging, though they might seem mundane to some, are actually fundamental to our overall well-being. They can be your stepping stones towards a healthier lifestyle, a lifestyle that is within your grasp, no matter your current fitness level. The beauty of these exercises lies not just in their ability to improve our physical health, but also in their profound impacts on our mental health. They help us clear our minds, reduce stress, and improve our mood, making us feel better overall. The simplicity of walking and jogging is what makes them so appealing. You don't need a state-of-the-art gym membership or expensive high-tech equipment to engage in these activities. You can perform them right in your own home, in your backyard, or even in your local neighborhood park. Whether it's a brisk morning walk to jumpstart your day, or soothing evening jog to wind down after a long day, these exercises are accessible and beneficial to everyone. So why not try incorporating them into your daily routine? They may seem small, but the consistent practice of these simple exercises can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. So, stick around to learn more about the numerous benefits of walking and jogging, and how you can seamlessly integrate them into your daily routine, right in the comfort of your home. Walking is not just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a simple exercise with numerous health benefits. Picture this, an adventure waiting right at your doorstep. An adventure that doesn't demand passports, tickets, or extravagant gear. All it asks for is a pair of comfortable shoes that cushion your feet. This adventure is as simple as walking, an everyday activity that we often dismiss in our bustling schedules, but is a potent exercise with an array of health benefits. To get to the core of the subject, let's first dive into the realm of cardiovascular health. Walking is a splendid way to your heart and set the blood coursing through your veins. With each step, your heart pounds a little stronger, your blood circulates a bit faster. Engaging in regular walks can help modulate your blood pressure and lessen cholesterol levels, contributing to a substantial decrease in the risk of heart ailments. Picture each stride as a poetic ode to your heart, strengthening it step by step. Moving forward, let's shed light on a benefit that most of us fervently seek. Weight walking, especially when done briskly for a sustained period, aids in calorie burn and helps shed those persistent pounds. Unlike many other forms of exercise, walking is gentle on your joints, making it a feasible long-term strategy to maintain healthy body weight. Think of it as a leisurely stride in a scenic park, except it's a stride that helps you stay toned. However, the virtues of walking extend beyond just the physical sphere. It's also a significant boost to your mental well-being. Walking serves as a calming balm to the mind, helping reduce stress levels and anxiety. It aids in decluttering the mind, creating space for creativity and positivity. Think of it as a natural antidepressant, a dose of sunshine on a gloomy day that instantly uplifts your mood. Moreover, walking can also enhance the quality of your sleep. Regular walkers often report deeper, more restful sleep compared to non-walkers. It's like a lullaby to your body, coaxing it into a peaceful slumber. Bone health is another area where walking can make a significant difference. As a weight-bearing exercise, walking helps increase bone density, thereby reducing the risk of osteoporosis. So while you're simply taking a stroll, you're also creating a protective shield around your skeleton, fortifying it one step at a time. Every morning stroll to work, every late-night walk in the park, every casual pacing around your living room, each step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. So the next time you decide to walk, instead of considering a mundane chore, celebrate it as a journey of well-being. As you can see, the benefits of walking extend beyond getting you to your destination. If you want to take it up a notch, jogging could be your next step. Let's delve deeper the multitude of benefits that jogging can bring to your life. You might not realize this, but jogging is an exceptional way to elevate your overall health, fitness, and well-being. This activity, being more vigorous than walking, pushes the benefits to a whole new level and challenges your body in unprecedented and thrilling ways. One of the most remarkable facets of jogging is its powerful ability to heighten your lung capacity. Each time you jog, your lungs are compelled to work harder, drawing in more oxygen to energize your muscles. This constant increased activity over a period of time can significantly strengthen your lungs, enhancing their efficiency and optimizing your body's oxygen utilization. This amplified lung capacity can be a genuine game changer, not only for your regular workouts, but also for your holistic health and well-being, contributing to a better quality of life. Now let's delve into the realm of weight loss. Jogging is an exceptional calorie-burning exercise. It facilitates the burning of a larger number of calories in a lesser time span compared to walking. The escalated heart rate and exertion during a jog imply that you're expending more energy and consequently more calories. This feature makes jogging an ideal tool if you're on a mission to shed some pounds or if maintaining a healthier weight is your goal. Moreover, jogging is extraordinary for fortifying your muscles and bones. The relentless impact of your feet making contact with the ground stimulates the buildup of stronger, denser bones, thereby mitigating the risk of osteoporosis. The muscles in your lower body, including your glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, and calves, all receive an intense workout during a jog. This regular exercise helps enhance your strength, equilibrium, and coordination, thereby improving your physical fitness. The advantages of jogging, however, aren't restrained to only the physical aspect. It also serves as a phenomenal way to uplift your mental health. The endorphins released during a jog can aid in decreasing stress and anxiety levels, enhancing your mood, and even improving sleep quality. The rhythmic, repetitive nature of jogging can induce a meditative state, allowing you a golden opportunity to declutter your mind and focus on the present moment. So, whether your goal is to augment your physical fitness, lose weight, fortify your muscles and bones, or simply elevate your mood and mental health, jogging could hold the answers you seek. Remember to approach any new exercise regimen with the right attitude and patience. Start with a slow pace and gradually increase your speed and distance as your fitness level makes strides. Jogging is not just a faster version of walking, it's a whole new level of fitness. Before we dive into the world of home fitness equipment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated with our latest content. Allow us to guide you in this journey of finding the perfect companions for your home fitness regime. Sometimes, life throws curveballs at us in the form of unfavorable weather or unexpected commitments. Such situations can disrupt our regular outdoor workouts, but they certainly don't have to derail our fitness goals. This is why home fitness equipment is not just a luxury, but a necessity in today's fast-paced lifestyle. Let's begin our exploration with a tried-and-true fitness partner, the treadmill. A common sight in many homes, this equipment is a fantastic way to simulate a variety of outdoor activities. Be it a casual walk in the park or a strenuous jog by the beach, you can recreate it all within the comfort of your own living room. The treadmill offers adjustable speeds and inclines, allowing you to tailor your workout to match your specific fitness needs. Whether it's a leisurely stroll or a fast-paced uphill sprint, you can do it all. Plus, without the hassle of traffic, uneven terrain, or unexpected interruptions like stray animals, your focus stays solely on your workout. Next to the treadmill, stationary bikes are the next big thing in home fitness equipment. These marvels of modern fitness technology offer a low-impact yet effective way to achieve your cardio goals. Specially designed for those with joint concerns, stationary bikes are an excellent choice for a cardio workout that doesn't compromise on your physical well-being. They come with preset workouts, allowing for a personalized exercise routine. You can emulate a challenging mountain climb or indulge in a heart-thumping sprint, all within your home's confines. Moving on to the next champion of home fitness, the elliptical. These machines are designed to offer a comprehensive workout, targeting your upper and lower body simultaneously. They are the perfect blend of walking and jogging, providing a low-impact exercise without skimping on cardio benefits. With adjustable resistance and speed settings, ellipticals allow you to manipulate your workout routine as per your needs and preferences. The beauty of home fitness equipment lies in the convenience, customization, and control it offers over your fitness regimen. Regardless of whether you enjoy a brisk walk, or are more inclined towards jog, or even if you prefer mixing things up, there's a piece of home fitness equipment just right for you. They are a brilliant combination of innovation and practicality, making them a valuable investment for anyone committed to their fitness journey. With the right equipment, you can walk or jog without ever leaving your home. Check the description box for our recommended fitness products. Whether you're walking or jogging inside or outside, the most important thing is to keep moving. Walking is a champion of fitness. It can lower your blood pressure, boost your mood, and enhance your cardiovascular health. Likewise, jogging improves your bone density, helps maintain a healthy weight, and strengthens your immune system. Consistency, though, is key. Regular physical activity is essential to health. So keep those feet moving, whether you're in a park or on a treadmill. That's all for today's video. Remember, your health is your wealth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, keep moving.